Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we've got an exciting one. I am going to be hauling some makeup and fall things. So if you want to go ahead and see what I picked up recently, then just keep watching. So I first want to start off with my fall themed things just because I only got a couple of things, and if you couldn't already guess, it is candles. I know I'm such a typical girl in the fall time, but girl, I love fall time, candles, scarves, sweater weather, boots. Oh, I love it all. So I went on bathandbodyworks.com and I picked up a few candles. So the first one I got was Flannel. Now this one isn't exactly how I was expecting it to be, just because I did buy it online, you know, but it does smell really good. It smells like cologne, I would say. So if you don't like cologne type of candles, I would say probably pass on this one, but to me it's like cologne, but it's still like kind of cozy. I don't know how to explain it, but it smells really good. Now these next two that I got, I'm really excited for. So this is a repurchase actually, and this is Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. Love this candle. Look at the top of it too, you guys. It's so cute. It has pumpkins on it and everything. So yes, Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. It smells so good. It smells like cinnamon pumpkin. I really love that one. I just feel like it's so fall and cozy and warm, and I just love it. Now this next one is a new one. I've never smelled this before, but I was watching Amanda Enzing's fall haul video, and she picked up the pumpkin pecan waffles, and it sounded really nice. So I went ahead and gave it a shot, and oh, you guys, I love it. If you guys aren't really that into like food scents, you might not like this, because it's definitely like kind of syrupy, vanilla-y, very sweet. So if you don't like that scent, I don't think you're gonna like this. But to be honest, like, I'm not that big on food scents either, but this, oh my god, I think definitely when you light this in your house, it's gonna smell like you're baking. It just smells so freaking good. Okay, so that is pretty much everything that I picked up that is fall themed. Now I did pick up a few new makeup items, and I went to ULTA, or actually I ordered online, but you know, I got some stuff from ULTA, and the first thing I picked up was this mini bronzer from Morphe, and this is in the shade Debutante, and I just thought it was a really nice colored bronzer, and I think it was like $7 or $8, and I thought that was really, you know, affordable. Just seems like a nice matte bronzer, you know, so I figured for like $7, why not? So I picked that up from ULTA. Now of course I had to pick up the new Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation. So many people are raving about this, you guys, so I had to try it myself. Definitely expect a wear test video on this, because I will be doing that. Now, Makeup Revolution also came out with their Supersize Concealers. So instead of their little baby, like $7 one, they have now a $10 supersize one. So it's quite a bit bigger, and comes with a lot more product. So I definitely wanted to pick this up just because this did run out so fast. It comes with, actually let me tell you, 0.14 ounces. 0.14 ounces, you guys, which is like nothing. The supersize comes with 0.45 ounces, so quite a bit more, and this is $10 versus $7. So I definitely wanted to pick another one up just because I was running out of it. Also want to try it with my foundation test as well. So as I was kind of perusing the new arrivals page on ULTA, I also found that Makeup Revolution came out with a mascara. Now correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure Makeup Revolution did not have a mascara before this. So super excited about that, and cannot wait to try this. Looks like a nice, like, thickening mascara, so hopefully it is good, and you best believe I'd be doing like a testing new products video with all this stuff too. Now the last thing I picked up from ULTA was another Makeup Revolution item. They came out with a bunch of new stuff recently, you guys, so I had to go ahead and pick up some of their new stuff. So this is the Makeup Revolution Jewel Collection palette, and this is the Gilded one. and I just thought it was gorgeous, you guys. So these are the shades, and I kind of picked it up because it's kind of like fall themed. They're very warm tones and everything, so I was really excited about that. So now I want to swatch them. Ooh, that actually looks really nice. Okay, that's definitely got some pigment, you guys. Wow, okay, so those actually look really nice. So I cannot wait to use that. So I actually think I might do, I don't know if I'll do like a testing new products, or maybe like a, I don't know, like a makeup revolution, like full face of makeup revolution. I think that might be fun. But either way, I am so excited to use this, and it has a huge mirror on there, which is always nice. So cannot wait to use that. So that is everything that I got from Ulta. Now I headed on over to ColourPop.com and picked up a few things as well. Now I did pick up 2 items from their Disney collection just because they looked really cute. So first off, I got the eyeshadow palette. Like, of course I had to get the eyeshadow palette. Come on, you guys. So I got the Disney Designer Collection eyeshadow palette. Look at this packaging, you guys. Is this not like the cutest thing? I think it's so nice. So once you open it up, it doesn't come with a mirror, which most ColourPop palettes don't, so I'm not that worried about it. So once you open it up, you have a really nice selection of shades. Very, I would say, like princessy. There's like those pinky purpley tones in there, but you also have like your you know, cream colors to neutral kind of transition shades. So I definitely think you can get a full look out of this palette. So really excited to use that and come up with a look. Now the other thing that I picked up was their ultra glossy lip, and it's also the Disney Designer Collection, and this is in the shade Boo. So it's just this like beautiful kind of rosy shade, and I will go ahead and swatch it for you guys. And it's like, I would say it's definitely not a nude, it's definitely a rosy pink, but it's still really beautiful nonetheless. It is right here. I think it's really pretty, and I think you could come up with a great look for that. So I definitely want to do a video like on the Disney Designer Collection. I think that would be really fun. Now we're on to the last 2 things that I picked up, and it is the Crush on You Super Shock Highlighter Palette. So this is super cute, you guys. Like, how adorable is that? It's got gold writing on there that's reflective, and it's got like a cheetah print. Like, how cute is that? So you open it up and you get 4 highlighters, which is awesome. And I feel like all of these shades are very wearable. So I really appreciate that in a palette. I hate when you get like a, you know, like a purple or a pink. Not that there's anything wrong with that, it's just they're not as wearable like everyday highlights. So really excited to test that out. I can't wait to use it. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Woo, okay. Oh, that's nice. So here is the first, second, third, and 4th shade up here. They're really nice, you guys. So hopefully those work out well. So the last thing is a little crazy. It is the ULTA palette. Now they just came out with this, and I saw it, and I don't know why, but I was just immediately drawn to it. So if you cannot tell, it's like an all pink palette, and yeah, that's basically what you get inside. All pinks in there, and I just think they're gorgeous. So I definitely thought that this was just really fun, and it's not your everyday typical look to do like a bright hot pink eyeshadow look. So I thought this would be a fun look to create. Alright guys, so that is everything that I have picked up recently. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I am actually super excited to use all these products and make videos on this. I have lots of different ideas, you guys. Like, I want to do testing new products and do a wear test on this foundation. I'm so excited to try this. I've heard really good things about it, so super excited to try everything and all of the videos to come. So definitely turn on those post notifications to be notified when I post a new video. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!